Hello students. So the next local preposition which we are learning is in. Don't forget, it is a local preposition. It's a local preposition. Now students, if you have watched my previous video, one question must be in your mind that, ma'am, okay, we are using nak when the country or city or state doesn't have an article. But what if they have an article? What to do? Now comes the next preposition, in. In. Now I know students, in English, in means you are already at that place. I know that. But in German, in, when it is a local preposition, something related to place preposition, so you can use in this concept and in this condition also. When you are traveling from one place to another, you haven't reached that place yet. Okay, you haven't reached that place yet. You are still in the motion. You are still in the motion to reach that place. You are still in the process of reaching that place. So when you are reaching that place, I will be asking you, this person, wohin gehst du? Where are you going to go? So ich gehe. So I'm asking to this person, wohin gehst du? He's saying, ich gehe. I am going to go. He's going somewhere. I know students, in means I am already at that place, but in this context it is not that. When you're going to some place, you haven't reached that place, that time also we can use in. Yeah, this is one important rule which sometimes children get confused of. But don't get confused here. Here we are only saying in for TO2 students. Yeah, only TO2. So you're going to that place, but this time the place you're going to go, the country or the city or anything, the place where you're going to go, it has an article, it has a gender. That time you can use in, because you cannot use nak. Nak cannot be used because nak has a condition. Nak can only be used when that country, city or state does not have an article. But here it has article. This all country has an article. I have intentionally given you 3 different examples. Schweiz. Schweiz has a gender, female. Please mention with your colors, whichever you all are using for mentioning. Schweiz means Switzerland. The gender is female. Iraq has a male gender. And USA means USA has plural. It's in plural. Okay. So according to that, I have mentioned over here, because they are still in process, and this type of preposition actually is loyal to both the cases. Sometimes they go to accusative, sometimes they go to dative. Yeah, according to the situation. Now here the situation is motion. We can also call it Wechsel preposition. If you haven't watched the Wechsel preposition video, please watch it first. Then you will understand that in is a Wechsel preposition which takes accusative or dative. But at present we are seeing all accusative topics only. Means the motion is there in that part. Now here in is an accusative in this sentence because ich gehe in die Schweiz. And that place has article. All these articles I have written in the accusative form because you all are in motion. You haven't reached that place, so I cannot use dative article. I cannot use nominative article because after preposition you have only 2 options. Either write accusative article or either write dative article. After preposition you cannot write nominative article, students. Never. So please do that much and share with me these sentences. You are going to this place. Same. Nach also you are going to that place. In also you are going to that place. Nach can only be used when country, city and state does not have article. No article. And in also you're going to that place. It is also used in English like to, but this city, country, state has article. This is the only difference. This much you keep in mind. That's it. Solve it. Make some examples by your own. You will come to know more in detail how much you practice on it. Make some sentences with the verbs fahren and reisen. Instead of gehen, use fahren. Use reisen. With different countries and cities who has article. Yeah. I have also made one topic related to some nouns, some few nouns, that is some few countries who are having male gender, female gender and plural gender. Please watch it and you can make some sentences using those nouns. And here you're going to that place. You haven't reached that place. You're going to that place, but those places are having article and those places should be country, city or state only. Then only this rule can be applied in this particular form of number 2 in TO2, local preposition.